Windows 11 was released on October 5th, 2021. Microsoft recommends that you wait until you're notified through Windows Update that the upgrade is ready for your PC. But you can always follow these steps to upgrade anyway. Go to this website, which we will link in the description below. This method is for upgrading through Windows 10. Before installing, use PC Health Check app to confirm your device meets the minimum system requirements for Windows 11. Microsoft also recommends checking the Windows Release Information status for known issues that may affect your device before installing. To upgrade a Windows 10 PC to Windows 11, click Download Now. Then, open the installer and agree to the license terms to install. Wait for the installation assistant to finish downloading and installing, then restart your computer. Your computer will upgrade to Windows 11 after restarting.